Hi guys, welcome to Decor Lab. In this video, we will be showing you how to create a cascading garland off of the hoop. We also finish off this garland with the specialty balloons. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. First, let's prepare our balloons. We will use double staff balloons in the following colors: black inside of the rosewood, black inside of the burnt orange, black inside of the mustard, we will start by creating 6 balloon clusters for each color. For rosewood, our clusters are made in 5, 9, and 11-inch balloons. For burnt orange and mustard, our clusters are made out of 5-inch, 11-inch, and 17-inch balloons. We will also inflate few 24-inch jumbos and make some 4-inch quads for each color to use as fillers. Now let's make our specialty balloon. We are going to stuff clear bubble bubbles with paint and latex balloons to create a marble effect. For this garland, we will use 2 sizes: 11-inch burnt orange inside of the 10-inch bubble and 17-inch burnt orange inside of the 20-inch bubble. To make the specialty balloon, you first need to stretch out the bubble bubble. Inflate the bubble and then pull it by hand to make sure all the plastics is stretched. This will help our bubble to inflate with a perfectly round shape. The next step is to add paint. Cut off tail of the bubble balloon so it doesn't get in the way. I also like to use a small piece of PVC pipe to hold the balloon open. You simply stretch the balloon around the end of the pipe. To get the paint evenly inside of the balloon, you can add a little air and position the pipe so that it touches the opposite end of the balloon. Now, add your paint. We are using acrylic craft paint in the colors gold, copper orange, and yellow. Use your hands to gently spread the paint around the inside of the balloon. Don't mix it too much or you will lose the marble effect. You can also add more paint if needed. Finally, stuff the latex balloon inside of the bubble and inflate it. It's so fun to see how the colors turn out. Tie the neck of the latex balloon and you are done. Simply tie a 260 to the neck to attach your garland. Alright, we're ready to start putting the display together. Let's get the hoop in place. Now we can start building our balloon garland. To create a color block effect, I will create mini garlands of each color using 260s to string together our 6 balloon clusters. I'm using about 3 clusters for the burnt orange and mustard because they're bigger. Since the rosewood clusters are smaller, I can fit about 5 clusters on the 260. To start the garland, place your first mini garland on the hoop. Simply spread the clusters over the hoop and use 260 loop to secure it in place. Attach the next mini garland to the end of the first one so it hangs in the middle of the hoop. Then attach the last mini garland to the center cluster and to the opposite side of the hoop. Use the remaining 6 balloon clusters to fluff up our garland and extend it on the floor. Add your jumbo balloons and 5-inch quads to fill in the holes and cover up visible to 60s. Finally, it's time to add the specialty balloons. Just few of these marble painted balloons really elevate the look of the whole display. And here you have it, the cascading garland of the hoop. This setup is perfect for any party. Use it as a welcoming sign, as a sitting display, or anything you want. We chose fall colors for it, but just play with the colors of it to make it fit any theme. If you want to learn even more about decor and business, make sure you sign up for our elite membership. With this membership, you have access to our weekly webinars and previous recordings. And I will see you in the next video.